Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Researchers uncover surprising side effects of common diabetes drug Metformin. Metformin, a well-established diabetes medication, has revealed unexpected benefits beyond blood sugar control. Researchers at the University of Utah Health have discovered its potential to combat muscle atrophy and fibrosis by targeting senescent cells, often referred to as zombie-like cells, which can hinder muscle function. Senescent cells release inflammatory factors linked to tissue fibrosis, a condition characterized by tissue hardening and scarring. The research team aimed to identify an effective therapeutic approach that could address both disuse-related muscle atrophy and promote muscle recovery. Preclinical studies had already demonstrated metformin's anti-senescent properties. Higher buprenorphine doses linked to improved retention in treatment for opioid use disorder. Individuals with opioid use disorder who were prescribed a lower buprenorphine dose were 20% more likely to discontinue treatment than those on a higher dose, according to a study of patients prescribed buprenorphine in Rhode Island from 2016 to 2020 as fentanyl became widely available. In this study, researchers retrospectively examined data from a statewide population of 6,499 Rhode Island residents initiating buprenorphine as part of treatment for opioid use disorder from 2016 to 2020, a period of fentanyl emergence and predominance. The goal was to estimate the association between patients' daily buprenorphine dose and retention in treatment over 180 days. At initiation of buprenorphine treatment, approximately 21% were prescribed 8 mg, 50% 16 mg, and 10% 24 mg. FDA-approved JAK inhibitor Momelotinib for myelofibrosis in anemic adults. The US FDA has approved Momelotinib for the treatment of intermediate or high-risk myelofibrosis, including primary myelofibrosis or secondary myelofibrosis in adults with anemia. It is a once-a-day oral JAK1, JAK2 and activin A receptor type 1 inhibitor. To date, it is the only approved medicine for both newly diagnosed and previously treated myelofibrosis patients with anemia that address the key manifestations of the disease, namely anemia, constitutional symptoms, and splenomegaly. Myelofibrosis is a blood cancer associated with low blood counts, including anemia and thrombocytopenia. It often causes debilitating symptoms such as fatigue, night sweats, and bone pain, along with an enlarged spleen. Approximately 40% of patients have moderate to severe anemia at diagnosis, and almost all develop anemia during the disease's progression. Treating myelofibrosis patients with anemia has been challenging, often requiring transfusions. Sadly, more than 30% of these patients must discontinue treatment due to anemia. For those dependent on transfusions, prognosis and survival are grim. Engaging in everyday pleasures can enhance cognitive performance, shows study. A recent study conducted at NYU Tandon School of Engineering using MindWatch, a revolutionary brain monitoring technology, has revealed that simple pleasures like listening to music and drinking coffee can influence brain activity in a manner that enhances cognitive performance, particularly in tasks involving focus and memory. In a recent study using MindWatch, published in the journal Scientific Reports, participants wore skin monitoring wristbands and brain monitoring headbands while undergoing cognitive tests. During these tests, they were exposed to various stimulants such as music, coffee, and preferred scents, as well as control conditions with no stimulants. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.